Hormones of kidney. Kidney secretes three hormones: renin, calcitriol, and erythropoietin. These three hormones are secreted by kidney. In the kidney, there is a juxtaglomerular apparatus which is present in the glomerulus. So this is the glomerulus, and in the glomerulus there is, this is network of blood capillaries. This is Bowman's capsule. This is glomerulus. It is the network of blood capillary. This is afferent renal arteriole, and it is afferent renal arteriole. So in this region there is a one structure, and this is called, it is called juxtaglomerular apparatus. Juxtaglomerular apparatus. This juxtaglomerular apparatus consists of stretch receptor cells. Juxtaglomerular apparatus consists of stretch receptor cells. When there is a low blood pressure, when there is decrease in blood pressure, so when blood pressure decrease, then rate of ultrafiltration is also decreases. Ultrafiltration means filtration of blood under pressure is called ultrafiltration, but for efficient ultrafiltration, blood pressure should be high, that is high means no beyond the limit, but blood pressure should be up to the certain limits to facilitate a proper ultrafiltration. But if there is decrease in blood pressure, then the rate of ultrafiltration will be decreases. At that condition, when there is falls in blood pressure, at that condition stretch receptor cells of juxtaglomerular apparatus generates impulse, produces impulse, and that it generate impulse, stretch receptor cell generate impulse when there is a decrease in blood pressure, and that impulse when goes to brain, when that impulse goes to brain sends a motor impulse to juxtaglomerular apparatus, and then it start secreting renin. And renin, it is a enzyme, or it is a hormone. It is an enzyme, or it is a hormone which activate angiotensinogen in blood. Renin is the hormone, or renin is the enzyme which is responsible for activation of angiotensinogen protein in blood. When this angiotensinogen get activate, then there is a formation of angiotensin 1 and then angiotensin 2, which is vasoconstrictor, contract the blood vessels, and it increases contract blood vessels, and it increases blood pressure. So you have to remember simply, renin is responsible for increase in blood pressure. Renin is responsible for increase in blood pressure. Okay. What is the role of renin? It increases blood pressure. another hormone, that is calcitriol. It is active form of vitamin D3. Calcitriol, it is active form of, that is called calciferol, means vitamin D3. It stimulates gastrointestinal tract for absorption of calcium from food. Calcitriol hormone stimulates gastrointestinal tract for absorption of calcium. That calcium is deposited on bones. Erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is the hormone which stimulates production of RBC. Which stimulates production of RBCs. Production of RBCs in bone marrow. Production of RBCs in bone marrow. So renin is responsible for increase in blood pressure. Calcitriol stimulates absorption of calcium. Absorption of calcium from food. And erythropoietin is responsible for production of RBCs in bone marrow. It stimulates bone marrow for production of RBCs. Then hormones of heart. Hormones of heart. Atrial natriuretic hormone, ANF. Atrial natriuretic factor. It is secreted by atria. It is secreted by atria of heart. Atria of heart. So atrial natriuretic factor, actually it is a vasodilator. It decreases or it reduces blood pressure. It reduces blood pressure or it decreases blood pressure, and it increases secretion of sodium in urine. So atrial natriuretic factor, it is secreted by atria of heart. Atrial natriuretic factor reduces blood pressure. Renin is responsible for increase in blood pressure, but atrial natriuretic factor, that is ANF of heart, is responsible for decrease in blood pressure. It decreases blood pressure and it also increases secretion of sodium ion in urine.